A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of Geometry, Class 9, Chapter number 8, Trigonometry, we are going to solve worksheet. Student, take out your worksheet, write your name, roll number, division, today's date. Let's start our worksheet. The worksheet question number 1 is given. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following question. Now student, in the exam also some student wrote direct answer. In the final exam, if you wrote the direct answer, I am not going to give the marks to you. So every time whenever the objectives are given, you have to write the full statement. The first one is given, which of the following is the value of sine 90 degree. If you see the table of trigonometry ratio of particular angles, then you will come to know that sine 90 degree value is how much? 1. So our correct answer is option D, 1. Now student, the second one is given, cos 28 degree upon sine 62 degree equal to question mark. The options are given 2, -1, 0 and 1. As we have learned the relation among the trigonometry ratio, cos 28 degree means sine 90 degree minus 28. 90 degree minus 28, how much we get? 62. It means cos 28 degree is equal to sine 62 degree upon sine 62 degree. So sine 62 degree cut and with the value is 1. So the second one correct answer is option D, 1. The third one is given 2 tan 40 degree plus cos 45 degree minus sine 45 degree equal to question mark. So as we know that tan 45 degree value is how much? 1, and cos 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2, and sine 45 degree is also 1 upon root 2. So cos value and sine value is the same value, but one is positive, one is negative, both will be cut. So what we have now? 2 into 1. 2 1 ja 2. So our correct answer is option C, 2. Now children, the fourth one is given, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to dash, and the options are given 0, 1, 2 and -1. As I have explained you that identity formula. The identity formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here our answer is 1. Now children, the question number 2 is given. Solve the following. The first one is given in the figure. Angle R is the right angle of triangle PQR. Write the following ratio of sin P, cos Q, tan P and tan Q. And this is the figure. R is the 90 degree. So sin P, as per the sin P, the ratio is what? Opposite side of angle P upon hypotenuse. So in the right angle triangle PRQ, the hypotenuse is opposite to the 90 degrees. PQ is the opposite of hypotenuse. And the side opposite to angle P is which one? RQ. So answer is RQ upon PQ. PQ is our hypotenuse. Now cos Q, the ratio is adjacent side of angle Q upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be remain same. As per the angle Q, PR is the opposite, then RQ will be the adjacent. So answer is RQ upon PQ. Now tan P. So opposite side of angle P and adjacent side of angle P. So which is the opposite side of angle P, student? RQ, and adjacent will be PR. Very good. The last one is given tan Q. As we know, the ratio of the tan is opposite side of angle Q upon adjacent side of angle Q. As per the angle Q, the opposite side is PR and adjacent side is RQ. Understood? Now question number 2, it is given, find the value. The question is given 5 sin 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree. So as we know, the sin 30 degree is equal to half. The value of tan 45 degree is 1. Substitute the value of given ratios. 5 multiplied by sin 30 degree is half plus 3 multiplied by tan 45 degree value is 1. So 5 1 ja 5 upon 2, 3 1 ja 3. Now 3 is in the mixed number, right? 2 3 ja 6. So to make the denominator 2, what we will do? Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. 3 2 ja 6 and 1 2 ja 2. So now we have 5 upon 2 plus 3 2 ja 6, 1 2 ja 2. So now the denominator is same 2. So now we can add numerator 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6 is how much, student? 11. So our answer is 11 upon 2. Okay. Now question number 3. If sin theta equal to 4 upon 5, then find the cos theta. Here we have to use identity formula. When we will give the question in the exam, we will mention in the bracket that you have to use identity formula over here. So as we know that identity formula is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substitute the value of sin 4 upon 5 square plus cos square theta equal to 1. The square of 4 is 16, the square of 5 is 25 plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now 16 upon 25 go to the right side, become minus. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus 16 upon 25. Now again we have the mixed number. So 25 is a denominator. 25 1 ja 25 minus 16. So here we get 25 1 ja 25 minus 16 upon denominator will be same 25. When we subtract 16 from 25, we get how much? 9. And denominator is 25. By taking the square root both the side, we get under root 9 upon under root 25. 9 is the square root. Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 25 is 5. So our answer is cos theta equal to 3 upon 5. So our answer is cos theta equal to 3 upon 5. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video.